7 natural chest infection treatments. Have you been experiencing shortness of breath, a persistent cough, yellow or green mucus, fatigue, itchiness, and/or a fever? If so, then you may have been suffering from a chest infection. But just know that you are not alone in this condition. Chest infections are common and often appear after or along with the flu or a common cold. Sometimes the symptoms can be severe, other times they're mild and can go away on their own. But did you know that there are some natural treatments that you can use to help speed up the process? In this video, we're going to cover 7 natural methods for treating a chest infection that can help clear up your lungs and make breathing easier. So if you're ready, let's get into it. First and foremost, you can try the classic lemon and honey solution. Sipping on a solution of lemon, honey, and warm water is a classic home remedy that is widely used across the world. It's useful in alleviating sore throat symptoms that are caused by repeated coughing. Studies show that honey reduces cough symptoms because of its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Lemon is a rich source of vitamin C that helps strengthen the immune system, and when combined with honey can provide a detoxifying boost. For an effective DIY concoction, you can take a glass of warm water and mix it with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of natural honey. Drink it first thing in the morning after waking up for the best results. The second way to treat a chest infection is to stay hydrated. More than 70% of the human body is made up of water, which is why it's always important to stay hydrated, especially when a chest infection is present. Dehydration causes the mucus and secretions in the lungs to thicken up, which makes it more difficult to cough them up for removal. Also, most chest infections occur during the winter months, which just so happens to be the dry season. This means that your body has to work overtime in order to maintain proper levels of hydration. Drinking at least 3 liters of water per day can help ensure that your body is getting the hydration that it needs. Number 3. Utilize humidity and steam inhalation. One reason that symptoms get worse during a chest infection is because of dryness in the nasal passages. Humidity and steam inhalation is a great way to counter this and soothe the airways. A humidifier produces steam and disperses it throughout the room so that it can easily be inhaled into the airways, which provides relief and helps loosen up secretions. High-quality room humidifiers can be purchased from online retailers such as Amazon and Walmart. I'll drop links to some of our top recommendations down below in the description. Or if you're on a budget, another quick way to inhale steam is to simply take a hot shower. The natural steam that is created offers similar benefits and occurs without you having to spend any extra of your hard-earned money. Number 4. Try herbal remedies from the ginger family. When it comes to food-based natural home remedies for a chest infection, ginger is a great one to consider. The roots of a ginger plant are widely used for food and natural medicinal purposes around the world. Ginger has a strong odor that is useful in clearing the nasal airways. Studies show that ginger has bioactive components and antioxidants that reduce oxidative damage due to stress. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help relax the airways in the lungs and fight against fever that occurs during a chest infection. So, adding ginger to your diet and taking it in the form of juice or drinking it in your tea can naturally help treat your body for a chest infection. Number 5. Use natural essential oils. Using naturally extracted essential oils such as eucalyptus, lemongrass, rosemary, and sandalwood can be effective methods for treating a chest infection. You can use these oils either by inhalation via diffusers, vaping, or by topical application in the form of a natural vapor rub. Studies show that aromatherapy via the inhalation of essential oils can help treat upper chest infections by diminishing nasal congestion and reducing the spasms that occur with a repeated cough. High-quality diffusers can also be purchased from online retailers such as Amazon and Walmart. I'll drop links to some of those down below in the description as well if you're interested. If you don't have a diffuser, you can consider making a homemade vapor rub by mixing 2 tablespoons of coconut oil with 6 to 8 drops of the essential oil of your choice. Then apply the vapor rub to your chest and back for relief. Number 6. Remove mucus through postural drainage. One of the most common problems that occurs with a chest infection is the accumulation of mucus and phlegm in the chest and airways, which can lead to shortness of breath, discomfort, and sometimes wheezing. The human body uses coughing as a natural mechanism to get rid of excess mucus. But sometimes, natural coughing is just not enough. This is when postural drainage can serve as an efficient way to clear the lungs simply by adjusting your physical posture. It's a technique that uses gravity to remove excess mucus and secretions. You can lie down on the bed facing upwards and keep your hips above the chest level by placing pillows under your legs. As the body is tilted in this position, the mucus from the lower part of your lungs will start draining upwards so that it can be exhaled more easily by coughing. Just keep in mind that postural drainage is best when performed under the supervision of a respiratory therapist or doctor. So depending on your condition, be sure to check with a reliable medical professional before using this technique. And last but not least, you can consider taking over-the-counter medications. Don't get me wrong, natural remedies are great, but if the symptoms are too severe or unbearable, this is when you can look into some over-the-counter medications that can help. They come in various forms such as vapor rubs, pain relievers, and decongestants. Vapor rubs are easily available and can provide quick relief from chest congestion and cough. Just simply apply the ointment to the chest, throat, upper back, forehead, or around the nose for short-term relief. If itchiness or headaches become a problem during a chest infection, you can take a pain reliever such as ibuprofen because it's an anti-inflammatory drug that can subside a fever along with any accompanied pain. Another over-the-counter medication that you can consider is a decongestant which can help clear the airways of mucus and phlegm. They come in various forms such as nasal sprays, drops, and tablets. Keep in mind, decongestants also come in various dosages, so be cautious and always consult with a general physician about the risks and benefits of taking this type of medication. So there you have it. The natural remedies that we talked about in this video can be beneficial in mitigating the symptoms of a chest infection. With that said, as I always say, be sure to check with your doctor for the most appropriate medical advice for your specific situation. Apart from these remedies, preventative measures like avoiding smoking and maintaining proper personal hygiene are also very beneficial. And if you do have a chest infection, practicing social distancing is essential in order to prevent the chances of spreading it to your family, friends, and others in your community or workplace. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. Be sure to like this video to support the channel and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. And as always, breathe easy, my friend.